And what do butterflies?
What do butterflies say? What do they say? Wow, that's a good one.
Is it flying? Is the butterfly
They don't
flying?
say much.
And what do trees say?
What does Tracy Tree say?
They say, hello, my name is Tracy Tree.
That's probably from me.
Hello, my name is what?
Tracy Tree.
Tracy Tree.
Tracy Tree.
And what other
And
animal?
what do snakes say?
What does snakes say?
And what do
That's
alligators say?
What do alligators say? Very good.
And what do ladybirds say?
What do what?
What do ladybirds say?
Who?
Lizards?
Lizards. Is that what you said?
No, what do the ladybirds say?
Oh, the leopard?
Leopards, what
No,
do they say?
the ladybirds.
Ladybirds?
No,
Ladybug?
the
The neighbors? What do
Say.
and what do
Shut up, that's what they say.
Keep it down.
Stop the jumping?
You're doing construction down there.